Hi there, welcome back to our mortgage talking points for today. And we're going to be talking about budgeting today. So the first piece in budgeting that we need to do is sit down and write down all of your fixed expenses. So what are fixed expenses, Peggy?
That would be your rent, your mortgage, current mortgage payment, car payment, credit card payments, daycare, cell phone, utilities, all of that.
Those are things you have to pay every single month.
Right.
And then we have our discretionary spending, which are things like going out for dinner, entertainment, vacations, stuff like that. Those are things you don't have to do. Those are things that we enjoy doing.
Right. And we've included a link for just a real easy budgeting tool so that you can look to see what we're talking about.
Absolutely.
Where you're going to want to use this is, let's say you want to buy a different house. Just hypothetically.
Yeah.
You want to move up in house, you're getting squeezed, kids are getting bigger, you just need more space or want something different.
Right.
You're currently paying $900 in rent or a mortgage payment.
Yep.
And you come in and tell us that you can comfortably pay $1,400 a month. To prove that to yourselves, you would want to start saving that difference, the $500 a month. Start putting that in a separate savings account and not touching it.
That's right.
Always recommend that you put it in a savings account, not attached to your checking account.
That's right.
Because it'll be real easy to just justify spending that money. And worst case is you've proven it to yourself that you can afford that increase in payment. And also you've built up a nice savings account so that when you go to buy, look at the extra money that you'll have.
Yeah. Yeah. And you're used to that payment. So that's a bonus, right?
Yep.
So there you go. That's our next tip, budget. And we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah.